How to remove your Gmail account from another device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove your Gmail account from another device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you'll need to take is open up your Gmail. After you've opened up your Gmail, tap on your profile icon that is on the top left corner. After you tap on it, tap on manage your Google account. And after you tap on manage your Google account, you'll be on your Google accounts, different settings. Now what you'll need to do is you will need to just head over to security. It's right here. Tap on security. After you're on security, if you scroll down, you should find an option called your devices. Now these are the devices your account is logged into. So if you want to remove one, you can tap on manage all devices. And after you tap on manage all devices, simply choose a device that you want to remove. I'll just tap on one, and after you tap on one, you'll need to verify that it's you. And after you do that, you can easily remove that very device from your Google account. So yeah, that is how you can remove your Gmail from another device, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.